Alright, today's free preset is named Moody Color. We're going to take a look at that. Then we're going to jump into the Creative Flow, play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles. Let's get to our photo first. ISO 118mm f8. Really nice silhouette. Let's get a little closer. Here's our free one, before and after. Really nice. Look at the shadows and grain. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. Alright, now we're going to go to the Creative Flow. We got all our film emulation folders down here. Let's go to the FE. This one has a nice mix of presets and profiles. We're going to go down to the Portra 400 inspired, and there we go, before and after. And I'll show you what's happening behind the scenes here. You can see we have a 35mm profile, currently at 10, pulling from the Chroma Pro. So you get different profiles here. And we're going to use this one. So that's without, but look what happens when you bring it in. Just really gives it that moody film look. So I'm going to dial it up quite a bit, right at 40. And there we go. Really nice. Let's check out before and after. Here's before and here's after. Let's go side by side. There we go. Really nice. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version of this preset and also put a link to the Creative Flow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.